guest appearance by random rolling objects. Let's just pick this. It's been giving me some trouble, so. Already feels like something's fucked up. So my detector lever is reset if it was tripped. Alright, let's get comfortable because this is tapered. So get yourself comfortable, Rat Tap. Let's go. Lever 1 is not binding. Lever 2. Lever 3. Lever 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 was binding now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. just feels like I lose lever 1. 5, 4, 3, 2. So, what happened? Wow, what a pain. That's picked. Let's gut it. That was an impromptu picking session. I don't really need that. That doesn't really do me much. But that's a Tann detector picked. Bolt is thrown. That's my bolt now. Alright. Let's gut it real quick. Hey, come on. I was going to send actually a quick message before somebody gets home and comes down here and says a bunch of stuff while I'm in the middle of this. Kind of feeling rushed, so I'll do that real quick. Or not, because I don't know where my phone is. So let's just keep cutting. See inside. There's our intact curtain. There's our curtain little control arm. Lever 1. Lever 2. Lever 3. Lever 4. Lever 5. Here's our detector mechanism. Springs up there. So I'll put some tension on. I should put another lever in front of that so you can actually watch it lock me out. Oh, I just hit it. So if I push this guy too much, you can see I just tripped the detector up in the top corner here. So now that lever won't ever come down, and I'm effectively blocked out. And the only way to reset it is with the key or to gut it. And that keeps that edge of this last lever locked up so the fence can't actually ever pass because of this little spring and lever combination up here in the top. So now you'd have to take the key, and the key would put a little extra load on that carrier there from the back. But I don't have the case on, so when you can see it moves up. See if I can get that in the video again. It's kind of hard to hold it. But you can watch that. See, that pops up. And that resets the detector. It's a neat mechanism. Very simple, very effective. These are our levers. They are super tapered. That was part of my problem with it, was I just sat there just pushing levers for what felt like ever. And then I finally kind of figured out the binding order. And then lever 1 is a really high lift, and it gave me fits. But here we are. Tension tools, excuse me. You can see this goes in, scoots under there, to the curtain. I put the little jog in the bottom so it sits down in that edge. Makes good tension. Picked with Jimmy Long deep round piece of wire. There's our curtain. There's a little, and this actually sits on top, and if this isn't rotated, this will stay there blocking. But as long as it's rotated to the right place, it'll drop down and then the bolt can through. So you got two little ways of stopping the bolt before the lever pack even gets involved. Pretty neat. Well, that was Tann Detector. Hope you enjoyed it. That was a fun pick. Cheers, everyone. Talk to you later. See ya.